For any project scheduling technique or management activity, this project scheduling, it has certain basic principle. Every project manager has to understand and know what are these basic principles. The first one is compartmentalization, division of the work, properly modularizing the task. That is, the project must be compartmentalized or divided in the way of divide and conquer into a number of manageable activities and tasks. For example, a framework activity or the process, under this you will have activities, under this you will have tasks, under this you will have functions. Interdependency. There will be different tasks, they will have some interdependency. That is, some tasks they may be in sequence, other may be in parallel, some may be concurrent, some may want the product to be delivered to the another work product. That is, let me show you here. Now these are all the work tasks. So this is the schedule. In week 1, what time it will start, what time it is end. And all that which are working together, these are the parallel activities. Some are serially working. Okay. For example, if you see week 2, last 2 they are serial. And then this diamond shape is a milestone. Some activities cannot start or commence until work product produced by another is available to this activity. There are certain tasks, they may work independently. Now the time allocation. Now each task which you have decided must be allocated some number of work units, person days of effort, what time, what people. Okay, that means it must be assigned a start and the end date, completion date, that are a function of the interdependency. You have to keep in your mind interdependency, and whether the work is done in full-time basis or part-time basis. Because part-time time will take longer, full-time the time will be less. Effort validation. Now what happens is, how many people you have allocated for what time. So ensure that no more than the allocated number of people have been scheduled at any given time. For example, 2 people working for say 7 days and 3 people working for say 3 days. More effort has to be allocated to number of people that work. Define responsibility. Every single guy has to be given a responsibility and a schedule. That is, you are a specific team member, you need to do this task and this has to be completed in this time. Then you have to have a defined outcomes. Every task should give some outcome, should have defined outcome. What is the deliverable? What are the work products? That also comes under defined milestone. Every task should be associated with a project milestone. What is a milestone? The project milestone is when one or more work product or the output have been reviewed for the quality and has been approved by the seniors and the review team and the quality people. Then we say, okay, we got the milestone.